Alright, hello trade pros. This is Victoria from TRADEPRO Academy with another YouTube video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about easy levels. These are new levels that we've started to implement on our market delta software here, and we are going to show you how to use them and what they are. So they can be used on any product. I'm going to look at NASDAQ today, NASDAQ futures. What are the easy levels? We love imbalance at TRADEPRO Academy on the footprint here. As you can see there, the number is highlighted on the footprint in either red or green. Green imbalances are buy imbalances, red imbalances are sell imbalances. Typically, they are great for entries, but we've modified them even further. So you can see little boxes around specific numbered imbalances, and they create a line that continues until that line is broken by a full-on candle, as you see here that I'm highlighting right here. So you see this red line comes in, it extended further, but this green candle printed right past it. It broke the red line and continued higher. So how do we get these easy levels? When we go into modify the footprint right here on market delta, we can highlight imbalances right here. We click on highlight and we can drag the buy and sell imbalances into highlighted prices. We make the boxes clear so we can see them a little better and look back, extend those lines so you can see further price action from time ago. So when we go into more here, this right here is a very key thing to have, min diff. This is the number at which the imbalance is highlighted and the line, the easy level, is shown. So anything above 25, so 26 and higher will show an easy level line on the imbalances. It depends on what you're trading, guys, but on NASDAQ, I like to use 25. A nice level would be 25 to 30. If you had anything lower, you'd probably get too many easy levels that stack up and they might not work as well. If you do anything higher, you might not have that many easy levels and it'll be a little harder to use them. So let's go into the footprint here and show you how they're used. So easy levels are just used as support and resistance levels, decent entries, but they don't work 100% of the time, guys. What to look for in an easy level is higher imbalance numbers, and if they stack up one on top of the other. Right here, you can see that this red easy level has held a few times over, a few tests of it, and it came back down off that easy level. If we look further back here, look at these stack up, these huge easy levels down here stacked up at the 74.56 even to quarter to three-quarter level. This is going to be huge resistance to the upside if price gets up there. That is 10 points away from the current price right now. If we drag back and continue further, you can see these were huge easy levels stacked up one against the other, but this was a sell stop run, so it broke clear through it. You can see there was a little fight by these little wicked candles here, but it did just break through it. Let's look for another example here, guys, and we will dive into a live example, see how they work. So right here, a good example, three of them stack up not too far from each other. If they stacked up one right after the other, that'd be a very strong support level or resistance level, but here is a great example. 118 show up, 43 and 27, 48. 118 being a high number right here will hold as very strong support. You can see price tested this level a few times before breaking it. Right here, you could have picked up a decent maybe 5-point move on NASDAQ, but remember, guys, none of these candles showed up with any buy imbalances. You can see sell imbalances coming in on these candles, which push the price lower. But if we were to have some buy imbalances down here where these easy levels were, that'd make it so much stronger, and we could push higher off this move. So pulling back here, let's look for another level. Right here, nice easy levels stack up one against the other. Price continues higher. Let's see how price reacts when they come back into these easy levels at these 70s. So right here, they're broken temporarily. You can see a lot of sellers come in. Sellers can push it lower. You see sellers stuck here. No easy levels formed anywhere here. Buy and bounces come back where the easy levels were. Another easy level forms. Price consolidates. And look, this becomes a buying opportunity down here, guys. So now that we've given you a little spiel and the premise of the easy level, let's go in here and look for a trade on NASDAQ. So guys, right here, we're looking for potential short on NASDAQ. You can see the easy levels printed here. To the bottom side, we have a lot of resistance up here. Correlation is dropping off. Huge inventory to the downside. All these easy levels stacking up like crazy down here. A decent short entry would be between the 30s and the 31s, right where this resistance that we've drawn comes into play. So if we set a sell limit right at the 30, maybe 29 3/4, a little more aggressive because look at that 130 coming down here. If this easy level fails to break again, we could potentially try an aggressive short right here into these 26, 27 areas. We have 71 right up at these 29 evens. A little bounce back into key resistance territory and a potential push lower. Those easy levels were broken, but look, huge bearishness, more easy levels come out. See an easy level up here, potential conservative short. We have 118 actually at these 30 halves, probably going to clear that first. Easy level target right up at these 32s, at the top of this range probably. Right here, right where it wicked before. This is a key resistance, could be a decent short. Huge buyers showing up, which is not good for our short play, but let's see how this level holds out here. Remember, there was huge inventory to the downside, easy level to the upside though. Bearish easy level was held a few times. Let's see if we can get this short. Huge inventory to this upside though. That's the only thing that's worrisome here. Nice wicks forming though. You can see these two wicks here. Worth a go, worth a try short. Look at that. It just drops right off, guys. We weren't able to get filled on that one. But you saw how that kind of worked out here on this whole easy level analysis. You saw this huge easy level broken once buyers stuck up here. These easy levels that formed to the downside were broken by this huge candle, but it couldn't break this last one here. Huge red candle drops, a lot of sell imbalances. Nice easy levels form, drops again, broken. And then we look to sell back into this strong easy level to the upside, which we did not get filled on. You saw correlations ticking down. This would have been a nice trend play, a nice sell at the top of this range. We got a little more aggressive with it. We originally were sitting above the easy level, above this resistance that we've drawn. You can see that was around from the 32s down all the way to these 25s. Decent 7-point move. That's about 140 bucks on NASDAQ. No volume to this move higher here, guys, which further solidifies our short trade, our short qualification here. Look at that, a tick away from filling us. And the drop continues. Hey, this was Victoria from TRADEPRO Academy, and that was an easy level tutorial for you, how we use it in conjunction with the footprint. Again, we couldn't really find a live example for you guys because we didn't get our limits filled, but you saw the general premise of how they work. I hope you guys enjoyed this YouTube video. Please give it a like, a share, and subscribe. Ring that little bell on our channel to get notified when we do go live every morning. And I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Bye-bye.